Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how exactly you can change your name in Facebook app. If you want to change your name on your Facebook account, it's actually quite simple. So first, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Next, under Account Settings, you'll find an option called Personal Information or Personal Details. Tap on it. Here you will see your current name displayed. To change it, tap on the Name section. Now you can enter your new first name, middle name, or last name as you wish. Be careful to type everything correctly because you will have to wait 60 days before you can change it again. Once you have entered the new name, tap on Review Changes. Facebook will show you a preview of how your name will appear. Choose the format you prefer, tap on Save Changes, and you're all set. Keep in mind, Facebook has certain rules about names, like not allowing unusual characters or symbols. Also, you can only change your name once in every 60 days. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.